study. Today we will examine the World Trade Organization, a key player in global economic governance. We will delve into its role, functions, achievements, criticisms, and the ongoing debate surrounding its effectiveness in promoting fair and equitable trade. The World Trade Organization, a brief overview. Established in 1995, the WTO is an intergovernmental organization that sets the rule for global trade. Its primary function is to ensure that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. The WTO operates on the principles of non-discrimination, reciprocity, transparency, and predictability. Key functions of the WTO include negotiating and administering trade agreements. The WTO facilitates negotiations between member countries to reduce trade barriers and create a more open global trading system. Resolving trade disputes. It provides a forum for member countries to resolve trade disputes through a neutral and binding dispute settlement process. Monitoring national trade policies. The WTO regularly reviews the trade policies of member countries to ensure compliance with WTO rules and agreements. Building trade capacity. It provides technical assistance and training to developing countries to help them integrate into the global trading system. Achievements and contributions. The WTO has made significant contributions to the global economy, promoting trade liberalization. The WTO has facilitated numerous rounds of trade negotiations, resulting in substantial reductions in tariffs and other trade barriers. Resolving trade disputes. Its dispute settlement mechanism has helped resolve hundreds of trade disputes, providing a fair and predictable forum for member countries. Enhancing transparency. Its trade policy review mechanism has improved transparency and accountability in national trade policies. Supporting developing countries. It has provided technical assistance and training to help developing countries participate more effectively in the global trading system. Criticisms and challenges. Despite its achievements, the WTO has faced criticism on several fronts. Inequality. Critics argue that the WTO's rules favor developed countries and disadvantage developing countries, perpetuating global inequalities, lack of transparency, and democracy. Some criticize the WTO's decision-making processes as being dominated by powerful countries and lacking transparency. Stalled negotiations. The WTO's Doha development round of negotiations has been stalled for years, raising questions about its ability to deliver on its promises. Overreach. Some argue that the WTO's rules intrude on national sovereignty and undermine the ability of countries to pursue their own development agendas. Discussion questions. Does the WTO promote fair and equitable trade? Why or why not? What are the biggest challenges facing the WTO today? How can the WTO be reformed to better address the needs of developing countries? Should the WTO's role be expanded or limited? What are the alternatives to the WTO for managing global trade? The WTO plays a crucial role in shaping the global trading system. While it has achieved significant progress in promoting trade liberalization, it faces significant challenges and criticisms. The future of the WTO will depend on its ability to adapt to a changing global landscape, address the concerns of developing countries, and promote a more inclusive and equitable global trading system.